We took a short 45-minute flight from Jakarta to the hidden paradise of Belitung Island. And the moment we started descending, the view was nothing short of mesmerizing. From the sky, the island looked like a secret haven. Upon arriving, we were greeted by the smallest airport we'd ever seen. A few flights arrive each day, mostly with Lion Air. The airport itself felt like part of the island's charm, tucked in a naturally beautiful setting, with only a handful of people around. The vibrant, colorful murals on the walls welcomed us to Belitung, adding a burst of energy to the peaceful surroundings. Belitung is one of Indonesia's hidden gems, a place few have ventured to, making it feel even more special and serene. The untouched beauty of this island, away from the crowds, promised an unforgettable adventure from the very first moment we landed. Soon, our pickup van arrived, ready to take us on the next chapter of our adventure. On our way to our planned destination, we made a stop at a traditional fishing village and market, immersing ourselves in the local culture. Watch further to witness the breathtaking beauty of Belitung from the sky, captured in stunning drone shots with a cinematic touch. The aerial views reveal a mesmerizing variety of fishing boats dotting the coastline. The town nestled right along the shore, and the winding roads running parallel to the beach. Next, we headed to one of the most famous spots on the island, Laskar Pelangi beach, where the iconic Indonesian film Laskar Pelangi was shot. The movie brought worldwide attention to Belitung, and we got to experience it firsthand, walking among the massive granite stones that line the beach. The combination of the rugged stone formations, the clear blue waters, and the surrounding natural beauty truly makes this place one of a kind, offering an unforgettable experience of nature's raw power and charm. Stay tuned for our next episode, where the adventure continues. We'll be island hopping and exploring some of Belitung's most remote, pristine islands. Get ready for crystal clear waters, untouched beaches, and even more hidden gems waiting to be discovered. You won't want to miss it.